Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tiffany. Make sure you watch the entire video. Stay tuned because this video is all about hairstyles I usually do with this fashion twist. So let's get it. Hello guys, so we're back. This first hairstyle is a simple one. If you didn't check my video doing this braid, so go check it now. It's up here. As I was saying, this is a simple one. You just tie up a little bit of 2 or 3 braids from each side, back at the back, and you get a simple hairstyle, a casual one. You can use it every day. You can move some braids in the front or all of them each side, depends. This second one is just like as the first one, but you can do the one side you want. It can be the left one or the right one, depends on you. It depends on how your side profile looks or your front profile. It depends on the side. And then you can push like a little bit of braids from one side. Since you're doing a side look, I usually do only one side. So this is the third one. Actually, I did this hairstyle when I did finish my braids. And again, if you didn't check the video, go check it. It's an easy passion twist tutorial. You do a half down and you put half up. In a bun, you can do a higher bun than that. This is more like a middle one. Yeah, tie it up and leave some hair down the back. This is a simple ponytail, and I usually use this thing. It was from over like a jumpsuit I had, and I literally use in my hair now. Because with passion twist, if you use a crunchy, it's a bit harder. So if you tie it up with something like that, it's easier. Sometimes difficult, as you can see. I'm struggling. But it's the best way to tie up a ponytail with this passion twist. It's not easy as normal braids. So to hide it up, I just take some braids and roll over the thingy so it can be invisible some way and hidden out. Then the ponytail done. Yes, sir. Yeah, I didn't hide it like really good, but and you can do a middle bun using the low ponytail. It's easy. Yeah, maybe if you are tired of a ponytail during a day or something, you can just put it up as a bun. A middle bun is easy. If you have a scrunchie, you can put it in. Sometimes it's better to hold it strong. But the hair, you can also use it like a braid. So to do a higher ponytail, I have to move all the braids like down and use the thingy to tie it up. And also take some braids to hide it, so it can be like more good looking. You can do a side ponytail. You can move the braids one side and again your preferred side. Or you can do a middle one. And then you can do a higher bun. Again, if you're tired of the ponytail, the high ponytail, you can do a higher bun, or you can just proceed with a higher bun if you want by following these steps so that the hair can be like tied it up and very strong. If you do a ponytail first, it's always better to like just strong enough the bun. And I did use a bandana, the red one. And if you guys want to check how I use bandanas when having passion twists, just tell me in the comments. If you want to see ways I tied up my bandana while having passion twists or any braids. With buns, without buns, just ways I tied it up. And okay guys, it's all for today. I hope you did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn your notifications on so you can be notified whenever I post. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can DM me any content or any topic you want to see in my channel. Be safe. Peace out.